Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Oh yeah, just an update. We just came back last night, and then I wish you to see this one. Um, for my fry, I think we can determine who is the female and the male for this one. Like this one, like this. Wait, I think you can see. Okay, I think this one is a male because you can see on his fins, it has a red color. So basically, if has red color, it's male. And for this one, I don't know, this one, you don't see any color at all. So I think this one is a female version. This one is a male also. So all in my first batch, 5 healthy fry, 1 female and 4 males. I think that's it. So let's see for the following weeks if I'm correct. And also my new added neon tetra is going okay. They are healthy, and they keep on doing good. And for my shrimp, I don't know if they already lay eggs. They always on the back, but so that's it guys. It's just a quick update. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait, let me check. Let me focus. Okay, that's it. And also I can see small plant shrimp here, and I think it's a good thing. What I read on the Google is that one is a good thing, and also add feeder to the fishes. So that's it. Thank you. Until the next update, I will show you if there's anything new. Thank you.